Hello everyone, welcome back to InfoDoits. Today we are diving into the essential topic placement preparation for engineers in software engineering field. This video for everyone, whether you are just starting a college or you are just in a final year. So let's get started. This is the flowchart that I have prepared for you for your roadmap to the placement. First of all, let's see what are the essential topic क्या क्या इसमें है. So you have to start with the language, DSLGO project and subjective topic, problem solving on the lead code, competitive programming and system design. So first select your programming language based on your interest. Choose something that excites you. I have listed down these languages like C++, Python programming, Java, Go language. Choose wisely in which you have interest. सो जो लैंग्वेज आपको पसंद है वही चूज़ करो completely based on your interest. And then let's talk about the DSLGO. It's a data structure and algorithm preparation. Start with basic like array, string, linked list, tree, graph. ये आपकी फाउंडेशन है, इन्हें अच्छे से समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. दिस इज़ कोर कंसेप्ट ऑफ द सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड. दिस इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Next, you have to start with a project parallelly. When you have time and you're starting off, you have to work on this. So choose your domain based on your interest, like mobile, web, machine learning, maybe combination also. It's all depend on you. प्रोजेक्ट आपकी स्किल को शोकेस करता है, ये आपके रिज्यूमे में भी बहुत स्ट्रांगली शो होते हैं और आपका रिज्यूमे बहुत स्ट्रांग बनता है फॉर द इट इज स्कैनिंग और द प्लेसमेंट. And then just first thing I want to mention here, like for the project thing, do not go for the innovation at the starting. When you learn the Go languages and the DSL Go, then go for the projects. You just Google it or YouTube it. जो भी आपको अच्छा लग रहा हो प्रोजेक्ट, उसे आप देख देख के सेम टू सेम बना दो. दिस विल हेल्प यू टू ग्रो योर स्किल्स, हाउ टू राइट अ कोड फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट व्हेन यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, तब आप अपना इनोवेशन यहाँ पे लाओ कि व्हाट यू कैन मेक इट इन योर डोमेन फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट. व्हाट यू थिंक ये प्रोजेक्ट मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, मेरे रिज्यूमे के लिए, मेरे रिज्यूमे को बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएगा. चूज अकॉर्डिंगली. एंड देन वी आर कमिंग टू सब्जेक्ट. these subject that you have to cover for the placement, for the interviews, not only for the academics. This should be core concept like operating system, object oriented programming, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स. इन सब्जेक्ट का नॉलेज आपको इंटरव्यू में बहुत बहुत हेल्प करेगा. दे आस्क यू वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. You can just Google it and see interview question for the operating system. You will get lot of details. But before going to that, you have to understand the basic concept of the operating system. Then you can go for the interviews questions. And then coming to the lead code problem solving. When you are done with this DSL stuff, and once you have your basic ready, it's time to start solving a problem on the lead code. Start with the easy problem, then move to medium and then the hard. ये आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर करने में बहुत मदद करेगा. सम टाइम व्हाट हैपन, इंटरव्यूअर आस्क यू अ सेम क्वेश्चन जो कि लीड कोड पे अवेलेबल है. इफ़ यू सॉल्व एज मच एज प्रॉब्लम ऑन द लीड कोड, दैट विल हेल्प यू इन द interview. And then coming to the competitive programming, this is also a good thing. It is like challenging question, gradually increase the difficulty. ये आपको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स में भी इम्प्रूव करेगा, टाइम मैनेजमेंट में मदद करेगा. लाइक इट विल बी टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट, यू हैव ओनली 10 minutes or 1 hour to solve 3 questions. That will help you in the screening round in the interview, so go for that. And then we have a system design. Finally, while it's good to have some knowledge of system design, as if you are fresher, also it is a very mandatory for the candidate who is experienced. Understand the basic will give you the edge in the interview. सिस्टम डिज़ाइन कंसेप्ट को समझना आपको कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में मदद करेगा. इफ़ यू आर फ्रेशर, you can go for the tech level only. You can go through it. I have given some resources also and some knowledge of what does that mean. These are the resources, you can go through it. So there you have it, a comprehensive roadmap placement preparation in the software engineering field. Remember, consistency is a key. याद रखो, मेहनत का फल बहुत मीठा होता है। If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Leave a question in the comment. Also, comment down your email ID if you want this flowchart. I will be sharing this you to your mail ID directly. If you have any query, any doubt, just comment it out. I'll make a video as soon as possible.